Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Hopefully that you all are doing well. Let's start with your reading. This is going to be for all the signs, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, so no specific sign for everyone out there. Anyone can enjoy this and get guidance. Follow me on Instagram, SASHELLS, running SA Shells, okay? I do have a Facebook page, SA Shell Speaks Messages till date. Let's start now. Okay. It's about the current wave. Okay, please ignore the sounds, the bike is here. It's about the current wave. So the words that I got: to current, current, wave, current wave. Something is going to be about the current wave, whatever is going in your life. This could be an emotional wave that's coming towards you. This could be some communication to and fro. This may be something connected with the change in the scenario that's going to happen. Basically the atmosphere, the climate is changing. In symbolism, something is going to happen in your life which will be about the current wave, and you're going to be going with the flow, kind of like migration possible. The fishes are shifting again. Oh my god, I just stopped. I'm looking at this with you actually. Six of Swords energy. Wow, it's a change, it's move. Okay, so for many of you, okay fine, so we'll take the second last card, and I'm seeing this with you. This is the Tower card. So the current wave, okay, you're going with the flow. So things might happen like it's connected with crumble of some kind of trust, someone who betrayed you, or this could be something connected with any kind of issue right now happening, some kind of information that you might get, something connected with organization, change of standards or time frames here. But all in all, this is about the current wave, okay, it's going to happen. And Six of Swords is basically about the, I'm having hiccups, sorry for that, I do have sometimes. So Six of Swords energy, it's all about the move that you're going to go for, and this no one can stop. Okay, it's about also the current wave, maybe emotional communication that is coming towards you, information coming from far, oceans far kind of energy as well. Okay, for many of you it's third last card, that is about Three of Swords. So this is about some kind of conclusion to the situation, something that you are clearing up, that you don't want to be with and you don't want to be in. This is about misunderstandings as well, third case or fourth case possible, someone who betrayed you or you betrayed them, goes vice versa. But as we are talking about all energy here, this is something that you gave chance to someone. I kind of feel like 3 chances in a row that you gave to the person, and now you're coming to a conclusion of that it's not gonna work, and we need to part ways. So someone is moving out here. I kind of feel that moving out of the Tower basically. No, it's not the Rapunzel is in the Tower. No, it is something else. It's something else, I feel. Okay, earlier you weren't able to make the decision, but now you will be able to, and this is going to be the final decision, something here. So the current wave is saying that when there's the wave, you don't fight back with the current of the water. Basically you go with the flow. So it's migration. So fishes are migrating here, and this is not just one fish. I feel like you're going to go with a group. This could be something connected with through waters or something. If it's not that, it's going to be something of a invitation to you somewhere where there's a group here, there, and speaking. I see a lot of people there. I see a lot of people sitting. I see a lot of people sitting in the center, and then there are on the sides of left and right, they're standing like in groups again. Maybe there are no seats available or something like that. But the sitting area is full. I feel like I see that. I don't know for whom I'm picking this, I don't know, but maybe you are there, or maybe I can see that. It's the mic that we speak in, it's like a conflict there. I see kind of like in discussion. It's not that anyone is harming the person, but it's just that I want to speak kind of energy, wherein they are asking for their time, and someone is asking that now it's over, give us that. I don't know what's that, but the current wave is coming. Okay, there's something else with that. We'll see. This could be love related offer. This could be an apology also, but more of like the adventure, new wave, water related, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Might be the one listening or might be the one dealing. If it is connected with some kind of Six of Cups energy, this could be resurgence, or maybe this is the love of this lifetime that you're getting and you're going to meet it for the first time basically. Maybe this is second time meeting. This is second time meeting, I feel like, for some cases. You're going to get to know them. I think like you're going to deal with someone who thought prior that on the second meeting or third meeting, I'm going to say whatever is in my heart, and they're going to do it. This could be you, this could be them. But also this is someone you might hear out again because of the Six of Cups energy. That's a confirmation of resurgence. When you talk about reconciliation or you're meeting them again, that's a Maybe this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces coming around the corner. I don't get that. It's something very crowded. Current wave, fishes, and there are so many fishes, crowded. And when there are so many fishes, those are crossing like for migration, you may expect the bear in the mid or crocodile. So you need to be very careful while crossing. Maybe it's about it's information, or it's some argument or discussion. I'm telling you, I'm picking different spaces. I'm picking water, I'm picking the area, I'm picking some hall kind of where people are sitting there. I can actually see them. Okay, so emotional discussion on some topic. But when fishes are crossing, I said so, the bear and the crocodiles are there and even if you jump, the bear will catch you. If you don't jump, the crocodile is there. What you're going to do? Delaying this something? Are you? We'll see. Because this is coming, and just beneath it is death. So maybe you went through some kind of transition or change. Maybe you said adios to something. Maybe that's why it's resurging. Maybe you had the relationship or the connection of any sort with this person or energy in that way. It's also someone you're not that comfortable actually, but you share something with them, or you shared something with them. So you exactly cannot say no to them because they want to talk. We'll see what's coming ahead, like in your present call or present vibe. But I see fishes. And you actually don't know where this current wave is taking you. You got the flip here. We'll see what it is. Five of Wands. So basically, maybe this is trying to say the bear and the crocodile and the fishes want to go smooth, but the problems are, these are the hurdles or the blockages. There may be some big influential energies or person. Okay, possible that goes that way. I go with my words. Person, they wanted to say people or person, possible. So Five of Wands is coming. You know that it's like you don't want to get into this. If it is like a return of something, you just don't want to discuss the old stuff here. But look, Five of Wands, I said so. There are people who are kind of like, I want to fight for this, I want to say something for this. So fight is not actual fight possible. This may, but because they are holding wands. But I kind of feel this is something of a discussion. Now, this is the disagreement that you reach on again and again with the current energy. That's why these are the kind of energy of like the bear, and the symbolism is trying to say that you need to just make way out. So you want to make a smooth way out from all of this situation. You're getting bottom energy is Nine of Cups energy. This is about the connection. This is about someone who's coming. This is someone who desires to talk to you, or you desire. So in your now, you are going through a little bit of understanding your zone, and Five of Wands energy, which is about you just don't want to get into this. I feel like this Knight of Cups energy is someone who is expecting you to finalize something or just go smooth with them. But exactly, you had this Five of Wands that you came out of. Argument, disturbance, something, whatever is connected with this energy or the phase. So please give us something better for the future. Future caller, future vibe. Make the changes. Remember, second ghost becomes your past. So if you don't want to get into this, you may ignore it. Ignore it in a way, like the advice is, don't get into it. Maybe you are just, you or the other person is just getting into with you for something beautiful and nice, but it always ends up like 5 of Wands. So the quarrels and all. In your future caller, future wife, your card is this. I said so, give me something nice, but this is though a nice card, though it is like a lost situation. 5 of Pentacles, which is about someone is going to lose the argument, or someone who won't get the apology, an apology that's coming towards you, or someone will not get the forgiveness, or will not give the, basically it goes that way, you're not getting the apology, or they're not, so they're not ready. Someone over here is not ready to talk the old, so it's the defensive approach, like on and off, is it's just that it's happening. But with the 5 of Pentacles, it's something someone is leaving the argument, they don't want it to be rude or rash, and actually someone is leaving the property here. I see leaving the property means leaving the hall, leaving the group, going with the wave. So the current wave is going to be emotional, little bit chaotic, little bit of discussion, may it be connected with finances or properties. We'll see what's beyond, but someone is definitely fighting over here. What's beyond 5 of Pentacles? Okay, makes sense. So it's someone who is taking stand for their right, and they're going to fight back. So no more arguments, but they're going to do it in a legal manner, or some manner which will be of standards. 9 of Pentacles is someone who is taking stand for their self-esteem and self-respect. It's also someone who is coming out of relationships, saying, staying single, not giving chance, saying no possible, or the forgiveness is done but moving out. This may say a lot of things for current wave, basically. So the current wave is about the migration, choosing the way that is better for, and it's also something better, what's that? I'm not getting that word. But 9 of Pentacles, someone who is standing in the midst of a crowd for the right, but alone, but for the right. So it's migration time. It's current wave that you're going with. This is also someone who's getting freedom from some chaos. It's also someone who's getting right from the business, okay, or taking stand for themselves, creating their own business or work, or getting free from something, resigning, or and then heading towards something that they can do freelance or their own, basically, and no chaos. Okay, this is also one particular topic that someone is talking on. So I talked about discussion and all, and in love, basically it's about someone who's not accepting something here. That's what I see. We'll see from Romance Angels a little bit. It hurts, but then someone is saying that it's better than to get hurt for a long time. So migration time. And to be honest, there will be offer. There will be some kind, new or old, but there will be. But I don't know what you're going to do, because recording time 13:13. I don't know what you'll do, because that's your decision, that's your transition. Calling in your soulmate. I feel like it's unexpected. Current wave is coming with a soulmate here. Okay, so chances are possible. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. Some of you are not satisfied with what is being given to you. All in all, that's karma connected, but you're not happy with that. You're taking stand. I feel like you're going to be staying single for some time. If you're coming out of something, even if you're single, you're going to stay single, working here. You're a working female or male energy, doesn't matter, but this is a female energy. Calling in your soulmate. Forgiving and learning is coming. I feel like it's about coming out of 5 of Wands energy, heading way, and you're done with something. 5 of Pentacles, completing something here. That's what I see. Especially with this forgiving and learning, you're done with something. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. We'll see more cards a little bit. So you got attraction. Now one thing is that someone who is coming around towards you, like Knight of Cups energy here, possible this is attraction that's bringing them to you, or again bringing them to you. This may go from your side or from that person's side, but attraction is here. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So possible that you're just in something else, and while migration you'll meet someone en route. Attraction. In here now, you're going to be more attractive, I feel. And attraction is not with specifications. Remember that. Attraction may be connected with eyes, to nose, to speech, to hair, to soul, to anything. So there are so many things. We are not confined with those things, okay? Okay, sorry. Let's see what's in your future call or future vibe. I kind of feel like you are more of like, okay. If you're female energy or male, it doesn't matter though, but kind of like it's because attraction in here, it's female energy. You're more liking the rouge, basically, okay? So it's a blush, the blush that you apply. It's more of like something will be charmed here, I feel. Your work will make you, make you happy, or anything, your decision, basically, you'll feel more confident here, I see. Okay, so your third card is release your ex. That's what you're doing. You're working on your attraction here, your self-respect. You are calling in your soulmate, but then releasing your ex is coming. Now this could be the person, this could be the relationship, this could be something else, work, any bad energy, negative energy. The time has come to clear your energy, basically. So may it be connected with any sort. It's also, is that a word, dissolving something like business or something? If it is going on, it's about releasing that also, dissolving and making way for something new. Okay, what's in love, what's in love, what's in love? You're getting two cards. We're supposed to talk about them, and the bottom energy is heart-to-heart conversations here. In love, there's going to be some communication. That's what I said. Honestly, discuss your feelings with each other. You're also getting two cards here. First is true love that you're getting, so possible there will be some presence. I don't know how you will take it, because some of you are going through releasing your ex, some of you are just not ready, but there is going to be some presence here. True love, this is the romance of a lifetime, connected with the card let go of control issues. So when you're releasing and you're getting ready, there's going to be some true love, because calling in your soulmate is coming, and you're also single, possible, or you're just not ready right now, but you're going to see Nine of Pentacles is also some capability of the current situation. So let go of control issues is allow the situation to unfold naturally. So while you're releasing something, you're also looking at the person, how much they try. If they don't, they're going to be kind of energy of the bear who catches the fish, okay, or the crocodile who catches the fish during the migration, but the current wave is going somewhere. So this could be the current wave that you're going to see. Let go of control issues. What stays, stays. What comes, comes. What makes effort, makes effort. It doesn't, you're going to be single for some time to come. If that is the scenario. Or anyhow it works for you. But true love, let go of control issues, is also unfolding this situation, which is connected with the true love is coming in your life now. And it will come, because these are timeless readings, so whenever it resonates, there's going to be some conversation with the old or with someone new. You decide. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.